Welcome to this session of Fostering Creativity and Innovation Through Informed Risk-Taking. I'm a qualified risk director, a designation given by the Directors and Chief Risk Officers Institute. I started in finance, moved into CFO position, and later into CEO position, which I assumed for about more than 10 years. European Innovation Council is one of them, where I'm helping scale-ups on their growth journey, working with EBRD on, mentoring organizations on their expansion, international expansion, or various other challenges. I am a regional director for Belgium and Turkey of the CRO Institute, as well as I have a number of board roles, currently sitting on 5 boards. You can be an excellent adapter, doing excellent execution of some of the proven ideas and reapply to your context. Obviously, interest rates skyrocketed, the total GDP contracted by about 6%, central bank lost half of its reserves. So to drive creativity and innovation, and we took, of course, some risks, calculated, informed risks. So the task force that would be really focused on this, all the implications of the crisis, that we had to take the necessary measures in our business, both short-term, mid-term, and obviously longer term. Now, then this task force was given the highest strategic priority of the company, which at the time was a profit turnaround for us. Number one, use strategy, tactics, and creativity to come up with the most innovative solution. The third brief was to present the risk-optimized recommendations. Like, we had to come up with recommendations on a number of things, and they had to be risk-weighted. The reason it took 3 years was that we had to do a lot of convincing, dealing with authorities, regulators, to give birth to the innovation. What I mean is, by taking those risks, it's like opening a new avenue, going through an undiscovered path, going through a road which is first time walked by you. As promised, now I go into a few examples, not just 2 actually, from my second half of my career, which is the entrepreneurial and board director career. So they had a number of specific objectives, and with the innovative structure, they were able to incorporate those into the deal. When we bring all of these together, that really helped us achieve, through risk-taking, creativity, and innovation for our sustainable future. But the starting point is really to think of risk as a way, it has to be refined as a value creation tool, as a value creation way, and which we take calculated risk, which we take risk as a way to really cultivate our organizational sustainability. Of course, being aware of the risks, being really educated about the way we tackle risks to transform them into value requires a stage of development. The key success factors for the learning from all of these experiences I've had. Now, first of all, you really need a real, well-understood and shared challenge. Secondly, committed and empowered teams, which have can-do attitude, a supporting culture, open and sufficient communication, because communication is critical importance, and breaking those silos that could happen, especially in larger organizations. Fail-forward approach is what I'd like to refer to, meaning like you have the freedom to fail. When you fail, you are moving forward, you're learning, you're developing your capabilities, actually.